What is up, fam? Another day, another hustle for us. So Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. And this vlog is very special dahil ito ang pinakauna nating unboxing video for 2024. And we are very lucky dahil nandito tayo sa San Juan, La Union. And we have the exclusive tour sa Disantay Villa. Make sure na tapusin mo tong video na to dahil meron tayong exclusive giveaway sa dulo. So yan, wag na natin patagalin to. Let's get into it. So guys, we are finally inside dito sa Disantay Villa. What's up guys? So, nandito tayo ngayon. Kasama natin ang aking sister, si Mrs. pala, sorry. Mrs. Mutia Peralta. So, first question namin is, how did you came up with Disantay Villa na name?
If mapapansin mo, yung word na Disantay, yung D niya is shortcut actually ng the. Yes, okay. And then yung Sante, it's an Indonesian word meaning relax. So, it's a exact word yun para relaxing stay sa villa. Parang gano'n.
Okay, gano'n pala siya.
Yes.
And then, I saw yung logo nyo is para siyang may waves. Like, how did you came up with yung logo nyo?
Yung logo namin, ang nag-conceptualize actually na si Sir Al, yung isang namin. So, since andito tayo sa San Juan, La Union, which is kilala naman for surfing capital of the North. Yep. Kaya andun yung, hindi namin tinanggal yung wave para talagang part pa rin siya nung kung ano yung location namin. After that is yung letter S, which means the Santay na name namin. And then yung sun for nature. Para kasi dito sa villa natin, number one namin is yung mga halaman talaga. Marami tayong plants dito na may kita ninyo.
Yeah. So, ano ba talaga yung like concept or makikita nila when they enter here at your villas?
Nabuo namin actually itong villa namin. Nung nag-start kasi kami ni husband na pumunta kami sa Bali.
Bali?
Yes, sa Bali. Sobrang kaming tuwang-tuwa sa architecture nila, sa place nila. Nakaka-relax sobra. Tapos nung nakita namin, sabi namin, gusto namin ng ganito sa La Union. Sakto naman na yung ginagawa namin, doon na namin pinut up lahat ng concepts ng magmula sa mga pintuan namin, sa mga halaman, at the same time, kung paano yung designs na meron sa Bali. Nandito rin, dinala namin. So, nakita namin kung paano yung traditional na Balinese houses doon. Kasi meron din yung mga modern or minimalist. Dito, yung architecture ng traditional Bali-inspired villa ito.
Guys, actually, when you enter here talaga, kahit hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Bali, guys, grabe, pagpasok nyo dito, you will really feel the traditional / modern architecture dito sa loob talaga. So, Ano ba yung mga like amenities or makikita nila dito sa villas?
Yung villa namin is 2 units.
2 units?
Yes.
2 villas siya?
Yes, 2 villas. Actually, ang name ng villa namin is Villa 1 and 2, but we call it Villa Satu and Villa Dua. It's an Indonesian word also for 1 and 2.
And 2. Oh, okay.
So, pagpasok mo dito, we have the big signage ng Vicente para alam ka agad ng guest namin na nandito na sila.
Nakita natin guys dun sa harap, ng ganda ng logo nila. Yeah.
So pagpasok mo, makikita mo kagad yung logo ng Vicente. After that, pagpasok mo, yung doors na mag-welcome sa'yo, yun talaga, ganun ang itsura ng mga Balinese doors.
Actually guys, sobrang curious ako. Like, parang carved ba yung,
tama.
Yung wood?
Yes, actually, yung mga doors namin dito, very unique. Each door talagang galing siya ng Bali din.
Bali talaga.
Yes.
So, you have to like, in-import nyo pa siya.
Yes, para talagang talaga namang yung mga gamit is talagang inspired by, sa Bali galing lahat. So, pagpasok mo, yan na, nakita mo yung doors. And then, pagpasok, meron tayong water feature kaagad na mag-welcome sa'yo.
Oo, yung may maliit na bridge doon, no?
Tapos, nag-welcome kaagad doon si Balinese lady na nakatayo.
Yun ba yung nasa, sa front desk?
Hindi pa, hindi. So, yung statue doon na nakatayo.
Yung statue pala yun, guys.
Pero, may mag-welcome na, na receptionist namin pagdating ng mga guests natin. So, sila mag-welcome. So, pagpasok, nandun yung water feature and then yung pathway natin, papasok ng Villa 1 and 2, which is makita mo punong-puno kagad ng plants.
Grabe guys, talaga yung feels parang, sobrang refreshing talaga. Like tamang-tama yung concept ng pangalan, which is, relaxing place talaga siya. Pagpasok nyo pa lang talagang, you'll breathe the fresh air of San Juan talaga.
So, pagkatapos noon the Villa 1 and the Villa 2, so we have foyer, and then kompleto tayo. We have kitchen, dining tables, and the sunken garden, which is very unique sa villa namin. Kasi nakalubog siya. That's why we call it sunken nga. And then after that, we also have a private pool.
For every villa, right?
Yes, for every villa. We have the same exact din yung features kung ano yung meron sa Villa 1, the same as the Villa 2.
Okay.
So we have the private pool, and then sa second floor is the rooms. The first bedroom, we have 2 queen size.
2 queen size.
Yes, 2 queen size. They have their private bathroom as well. And then the second one, double bed lang siya na bed. With veranda at the same time with private na bathroom din.
Okay. And pansin ko guys, grabe. Pati dito sa living room and kitchen nila is talagang may aircon din talaga. So,
yes, fully air-conditioned.
Fully air-conditioned.
Wi-Fi ready lahat.
Wi-Fi ready.
Yes.
So like, ilan naman like yung maximum capacity ng villa?
If we are there going to sleep talaga, max of 6 to 8.
6 to 8?
Yes, 6 to 8 person na magtutulog.
Yeah, pero like they can also handle like small events here.
Yes.
Birthdays and I heard parang you're planning to have this rent for like photo shoots and like,
yes.
Pwede din, di ba?
Pwede naman kasi sabi ko nga maganda kasi yung every detail ng mga walls natin.
Sobrang grabe guys. Sobrang Instagrammable. Like every corner talaga.
Yes. Yun naman ang namin, target namin. Lahat ng place, lahat ng angulo, pwedeng pagpicturean.
Yeah. Ano yung like mga... Kasi may nakita ko like dito sa Villa 2, nakita ko yung like sobrang laking parang hand-carved na ang tawag nito is that hindi siya paint, talagang wood architecture art na talaga siya.
Wood art, yes.
So like, can you tell me more about that?
Yung wood art na yon, nakita nung architect namin sa Manila, sa isang, I think, siguro meron silang gallery na napuntahan. Sobrang silang na-amaze dun sa artist. I-mention ko na lang pagka na-familiarize ko yung name ng artist. Pero yun talaga, yung wood art na yun, it's actually the perfect for walls. Kung gaano siya kaganda.
Sobrang ganda, guys. Like, nung hinawakan ko siya, talagang you'll know na talagang pinagtuunan ng oras talaga.
Yes, maganda talaga.
So, tawag nito, saan yung location? Pwede mo ba silang like invite dito sa villas natin? Ano ba yung exact location nito?
Yes, ang location natin is dito lang tayo sa may Ilisur, San Juan, which is malapit kami sa plaza, at the same time sa San Juan Church.
Yeah.
So, yun ang landmark natin would be the San Juan Church, and then diretso lang, we're on the Sobrotenia Street, Ilisur, San Juan La Union.
Actually guys, parang ano lang siya eh. If you're planning to go sa San Juan Street, it's like how many minutes away lang?
Yeah, wala ano lang siguro, 5 to 6 minutes.
So, sobrang lapit niya guys. At the same time, meron ng 7-Eleven na walking distance lang. So, pag may mga needs kayo, sobrang dali nyo lang bumili if you are here. So, next question ko is like, yung pagiging luxurious type and yung architecture na concept, like how many years did it take just to finish this?
Mabot kami ng 1.5 year to finish. Kasi sobrang detailed namin.
Correct, grabe talaga.
Yung walls, yung mga furnitures, yung mga decors, talaga namang inaral talaga para maganda.
Kasi grabe guys, I can't wait na ma-invite kayo, everyone, to go here. Baka siguro gusto mo silang invite. Where can they find you on your social media accounts?
We've opened our Instagram account and Facebook page. Just search D Sante. D, letter D, and then Sante, Santai.
Okay, so that's on Instagram and
Facebook. Yes. And for booking, soon to be bookings, we're going to open our Airbnb as well.
Wow. So, like, ano ba yung meron na ba tayong estimate time ng opening natin?
Hopefully, we can open this February. Yes, we're really pushing na ma-push na namin na mag-open this February.
Okay, so yan, abangan nyo guys, this February, mag-open ang isa sa sobrang exciting na villas dito lang sa La Union. So, again, thank you to my sister.
Sure.
And, guys, meron ata siyang i-announce later. So, ayan, bago niya i-announce, let's go to the unboxing part muna. Yes! So guys, before we proceed sa biggest announcement dito sa vlog na to, meron muna tayong i-unbox the latest colorway ng most famous collaboration ng Nike Air Force 1 Low Supreme in Baroque colorway. Guys, start tayo sa box. So makikita nyo, this is the usual box design ng Air Force 1 Low Supreme. So makikita nyo, matte black yung base ng box. At the same time, makikita nyo yung parang shiny finish ng Nike swoosh logo dito sa may top. So kung napanood nyo yung mga latest vlog namin before, so the pair comes with the monogram na Nike logo. At the same time, merong Supreme na box logo din dito sa may tissue paper niya. Tapos, so ayan, buksan na natin agad. Woo! So this is the Air Force 1 Low Supreme in Baroque brown colorway. So kung makikita nyo guys, ang branding na ginawa ng Supreme dito is the usual. Meron tayong box logo ng Supreme dito sa may side heel tab. Tapos makikita nyo naman dito sa may sa may back heel is yung embroidered na Nike Air logo. So kung makikita nyo all over, pati sock liner niya guys is nasa Baroque brown colorway. So ayan, sobrang solid na itong pair na to for me. So makikita nyo naman dito sa may tongue area is meron ding Nike Air logo, the same time yung branding ng Supreme, which is the box logo. What I like the most dito sa pair na to is sobrang dali niyang bagayan guys, lalo na sumisikat ngayon ang mga earth tone colorway. So it goes with your cargo pants or sa mga neutral na mga get up or outfit nyo. Tapos dito naman sa harap may kita nyo yung Dubre, which is Air Force One. Tapos may Supreme sa baba. At the same time, meron tayong embroidered na swoosh logo dito sa baba. So this was released, I think, mga November nung nilabas to. So instantly na sold out din siya. Pero merong mga konting restocks. Luckily, meron tayong nakuha. Fourth na colorway na nilabas ng collaboration between Air Force One Low X Supreme. Ayan. So, yung mga first two OG colorways is meron tayong lumabas na triple white. Meron din tayong lumabas na triple black. Etong dalawang to, na-vlog din namin ito. Kung gusto nyo i-check, ilalabas ko dito sa gilid yung link nung unboxing namin ng two OG colorways ng Air Force One Low Supreme. All of these are available in-store, pero medyo mas marami tayong sizes dito between the OG colorways. So dito sa Baroque Brown, pre-order siya, pero this one is sold na, so i-deliver, ipapadala na natin siya sa ating I think Manila client to. So ayan, if you are interested guys, feel free to message our Facebook and Instagram page. So ayan, abangan nyo yung next na announcement para dito sa vlog na to. Peace!
Hello guys! So I have a big announcement to make. We are giving away a one-night stay here at Bisante Villa. All you have to do is go to Facebook and check out Sulab Manila, check out their reels on the mechanics. Sobrang dali lang on how to win this. First is like and share their posts and go to the comment section, tag 3 of your friends. And don't forget to like our pages at Sulab Manila and Bisante Villa on Instagram and Facebook. So see you guys soon and good luck!